Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video, we will be seeing the types of NoSQL database. So in the previous video, we have already shown what is meant by NoSQL database. Link to that video will be in the description as well as in the I section. You can go through it. So on my channel, there are different playlists related to machine learning and big data. Please do visit. So we'll see what are the different types of NoSQL databases. So broadly, there are four types of NoSQL databases, that is key value pair based, document based, graph based and column family based. So as the image represent, the column based is mainly focusing on the row column structure. It is mainly focusing on the columns, whereas the graph based databases provides us a visual effect of the data that is being stored. The document is in the form of tree like structures. The data is stored in the form of document, and in the key value pair, for a specific key there is a specific value associated with it. So broadly, this is the categorization of the NoSQL database, and there are four types of NoSQL databases. So we'll see in brief one by one. So first is a key value pair based. So for a specific key, there is a specific value associated with it. Okay. So these store the data as a hash table, and whereas the key is unique and the value can be a string, it can be a JSON, it can be a object. So the value changes according to the data, but the key is always unique. So the key value stores help the developer to store the schemaless data. Schemaless in the sense there is no specific schema. As in relational databases in SQL, we have to focus on the schema. Whereas in NoSQL, as we have found the difference, that it is schema free. So these types of databases are generally used for the shopping cart data or to store the databases of a shopping portals or related to shopping websites. For example, if we are taking a YouTube channel as the key, then the associated value will be the name of our channel. So our channel name is Big Data Knowledge Hunt Official. So here YouTube channel is the key, whereas Big Data Knowledge Hunt Official is the value. So this is the example of key value pair. So there are different key value pair based databases as Tokyo, Redis, then Scalaris. These are some of the names of the key value based NoSQL databases which are not used widely. Okay, so let us see the next. Next is the column based. So as the name indicate, it works on the column, and they are basically built based on the Google's big table. So we are aware of the big table concept of Google. So this database is based on Google's big table concept. So here every column is treated separately, and value of a single column databases are stored continuously. So here each column is treated a separate value. Next is they deliver the high performance, or whenever we want to query such as summation or count or average, minimum, maximum, then we use the column based databases. So they are widely used to manage the data warehouses where the business intelligence applications are present, or CRM based application we use column based databases. Some of the most popular column based databases are Google's Big Table, next is Cassandra, HBase and Hypertable. These are some of the popular column based databases. Next is the document based. As the name indicates, the data is stored in the form of document. As you can see in the figure, so here is the document 1 and document 2. So document 1 contains specific data, whereas document 2 contains specific data. So here the document can be a JSON or a XML format. Okay, so it is stored in the JSON or a XML format. The NoSQL database stores and retrieves data as a key value pair, but the value part is stored as a database. Here also it is a key value pair based structure, but the value part is stored as the document. So this all specific value is one document. The document type is mostly used for blogging platforms or e-commerce website. Whenever we want to store the real-time data, like we want to store the tweets, we want to store the comment, we want to store the Facebook notes, then we can use the document-oriented database. It should not use for complex transaction which require multiple operations, because it is not suitable for large or complex transactions. Okay, so this is the limitation of document based database. So the most popular document based database is MongoDB and CouchDB. These are the two widely used document based database. And the final is the graph based database. So as the name indicate, here the data is stored in the form of graph. So the relations among the entities are denoted in the form of graph, and the entity is the node, whereas the relation is the edges. So here city, person and restaurant are the nodes, and the relationship are that the restaurant is located in this city. So this is the relationship. Okay. So the edge gives a relationship between the node, and every node and edge has a unique identifier. So the graph-based database is mainly used for the social media platforms, logistics and spatial data to visualize the spatial data or to visualize the social based relationship. Like we want to find the popular tweet user or the popular user among the Twitter, then we can use such type of database. So the Neo4j is the widely used graph-based database in big data, whereas there are different databases as FlogDB or InfoGrid, etc. So here the data is stored in the form of graph so that it will be more easily visible to the user. So these were the broad categorization of a NoSQL databases with its different types. I hope everyone is clear with the idea. For more such videos related to machine learning and big data, stay tuned towards my channel. Thank you for watching the video.